Introducing the Amazon Basics Portable Radiator Heater, a versatile and efficient heating solution designed to provide quiet warmth for rooms up to 144 square feet. With its customizable heat settings, maintenance-free operation, and a range of safety features, this heater offers both convenience and peace of mind. Constructed from durable materials and boasting a sleek design, it's a practical addition to bedrooms, home offices, and study rooms. Join us as we delve into the details of this reliable heating appliance in our comprehensive review. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient heating performance. This heater is a reliable heating solution that excels in providing quiet and efficient radiant heat for rooms up to 144 square feet. This heater not only delivers warmth, but also contributes to lowering energy bills, making it a practical addition to any space. Number 2. Customizable heat settings. This heater offers 3 heat settings, allowing you to customize the level of warmth to your preference. Whether you need gentle heat for a cozy ambiance or a higher setting to combat colder temperatures, this appliance has you covered. Number 3. Maintenance-free operation. One standout feature of this heater is its oil-filled fins. These 7 fins are permanently sealed with diathermic oil, eliminating the need for refilling or maintenance. This convenience ensures hassle-free operation, making it an excellent choice for users seeking minimal upkeep. Number 4. Safety first. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It is ETL-listed and comes equipped with several safety features. The fully enclosed heating elements prevent direct contact, reducing the risk of accidents. The non-slip base adds stability, preventing any unwanted movement. Additionally, it features an anti-freeze mode that automatically activates when the temperature drops to a specific level and a thermal cutoff that prevents overheating, giving you peace of mind while using it. Number 5. Durable construction. Constructed from rust-resistant steel, this heater is built to last. The sturdy materials ensure longevity, even in challenging environments. The wheels, which snap into place without the need for tools during assembly, add mobility, making it easy to move the heater from room to room. The 72-inch power cord offers flexibility in placement, and the cord storage feature helps keep things tidy. Number 6. Compact and practical design. With compact dimensions, this heater has a compact footprint that won't take up much space. Its sleek black design blends well with various room aesthetics, making it a suitable choice for bedrooms, home offices, or study rooms. Number 7. Ample power and warranty. With 1500 watts of power and 12.5 amps, this heater provides sufficient heating capacity for its intended room size. It's backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty, demonstrating the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction and product quality. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11 inches, depth by 14.8 inches, width by 25.2 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Efficient and quiet radiant heat. 3 customizable heat settings. Maintenance-free operation with sealed oil-filled fins. Comprehensive safety features. 1 reason not to buy. Some users may find it slightly heavy to move around. Conclusion. The Amazon Basics Portable Radiator Heater offers efficient and customizable heating with a focus on safety and durability. Its maintenance-free operation and practical design make it a compelling choice for those seeking reliable warmth in smaller indoor spaces. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.